Hey everyone! Okay, so I know it's been way too long, 2 months since I've uploaded a video or done anything like that, and I just want to start by saying I am so sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It's so annoying to me, and I'm so disappointed that I haven't been able to upload anything or film videos. And I mean, partly it's my fault or just my, I don't know, laziness, but it's mostly just because I've had so many troubles trying to film and edit and all that. If you follow me on Instagram, which if not, you should, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. I've kind of mentioned it a couple times, like I guess what's been going on, and it's mostly just
my phone not being able to film, or if it can't film, then the videos and the clips can't import to my computer, which is like a 5-year-old Apple MacBook, so I guess I understand why. But even if I clear out all the data and all the trash, it still can't import videos, and then the iMovie on my phone not working because I can't get it to record my laptop, so there's just been so much trouble, and I've filmed a couple videos and gotten to like the fully edited point, even spending hours on editing a video, and then it can't download from the cloud. I don't understand what that means, but, or I film videos and then a lot of the clips won't import, and
it's just all really annoying. I wouldn't say I gave up, but I was just very discouraged and from filming or trying to film and edit and all that, because I just knew it wouldn't work. So that's why I've been gone. All that being said, I hope that I'm gonna be back and able to post somewhat regular content.
we'll see if that works.
One of the main reasons why I'm filming again is because I got a camera. This is definitely an upgrade, and I'm so thankful for it, and I hope it makes everything better, and also I feel like the quality's a lot better. I still can work on my lighting and background, but that'll take time. Today I just wanted to film kind of like a get ready with me, kind of like a chit chat one, I guess.
2 hours later.
Let's see if this works. Okay, hold on. Righty. So I threw on my trusty little headband, which doesn't really do anything except look cute, but it's all good. Oh, and I forgot to say, could y'all like let me know in the comments if this is a good angle, if you like this, or if I need to lower it, because this is the shortest the tripod can go, at least on my desk, so I could put it on the floor, but I don't really have a lot of room. But just let me know if this is a good angle. Lighting I'm working on, don't worry. At least hopefully. I mean, I don't have anything planned right now, but I know that I'll work on that. Does the lighting look okay? Okay, and I apologize for the state of my face. It doesn't look great, but we're about to cover that up. I'm gonna start with primer. Lately, I've been using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Looks like this. Oh my god, is it gonna focus? Wow, I feel like a booty guru. I got this in my Ipsy bag, and it's kind of like a primer and moisturizer in one. But yeah, my skin has been super dry, or not all of it, but like I've had dry patches kind of throughout my skin, if that makes sense. So it was awesome that I got this just because it's hydrating. And next I'm gonna go in with another primer. This is like my favorite primer, and it has been for a while. It's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I've been just putting this kind of like in the areas where my pores are the biggest, which is definitely around my nose, on my nose, and basically in the T-zone, and on my chin as well. And I'll kind of put it on top of those blemishes. So now we're gonna do foundation. Recently, I've gone back to using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It's in the color Soft Ivory. So this one, if you didn't know, has like the spatula thing. So I just spatula it on my face. Hi. This is the sponge I'm gonna use. I go back and forth between brushes and sponges, but right now I've been using the sponge. This is the Midas Cosmetics Royal Finish sponge, and I just pat this in with the, the flat side. And if you didn't know already, I am an affiliate with Midas Cosmetics, which I'm so thankful for. I love Midas and all of the affiliates, and Rocio, who's the CEO, and all that. But yeah, I am an affiliate, so I do have an affiliate code with them. It's Emily B, and if you want to use it, you can. I would greatly appreciate it. I do earn some commission, but actually for the month of June, I don't know when this video will go up, but for the month of June, I am donating, through Midas, I'm donating all of my commission to the Trevor Project. Okay, so I finished my foundation, went ahead and did it down my neck. So now I'm gonna do my concealer. So this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair, which I think is the second darkest shade, I think. I just put this everywhere. I do it under my eyes and in the T-zone, high points of my face, basically, I guess. I don't necessarily try to get like the highlighted look where it's lighter under my eyes. Oh, and I'm using the same sponge, just the pointed tip one side. I don't try to like go for very, you know, the contour and the highlighted looks and all that stuff. I just kinda, I don't know what I do. I feel like for like a full glam, that kind of look, I do more of a natural one, but I do wear like a full face of makeup every day. Well, at work, when I go to work, which is almost every day. Now I'm just gonna go over, like put concealer, well, I'm gonna put it on the blemishes, then I go down my nose and over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pat this in. Oh, I forgot. See, when I talk too much, I just keep going and I forget to tell you things. Okay, so I finished the concealer. Now I'm powdering. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Fair. I use the sponge, the flat side, to bake, I guess, even though I don't really bake because I kind of just brush it off once I'm done. I don't like sit here and wait for it. So it's still raw. You get it? Because baking. I powdered over all those areas. Wow, I look scary. And now I go in with a pressed powder. This is the Revlon Color Stay. I'm loving it. This is the BH Cosmetics number 2 brush from the Rose Gold set, I think. Go to my very first video and you'll see how I got it. I just pat this in over the areas I didn't place the loose powder. With my face products, I tend to just get the same brand, the same one all the time, and use it up and then go buy it again. I don't really experiment too much with that. I would like to. I would love to go to Sephora and buy a $40 foundation, or buy the Estee Lauder Double Wear, or the Chanel or Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I would love to go buy that, but I also don't have that money to drop on a foundation. And then I just brush away the rest. I patted in any of the leftover powder. Next, I'm gonna bronze my face. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. And I use this crown brush. I got this, I was subscribed to FabFitFun for like $1 until I realized I didn't have the money for it because I didn't have a job at the time. So sad. But the $1 I did get, I got this brush set of crown brushes. And this is one of them, and I love this brush. I don't know which one it is. I think it's rubbed off, if it did say, but I love this for, because it's tapered. I love it for bronzing, because you see how it's kind of tapered. Okay, so anyway, I go in here, tap it off, and bronze. And this bronzer is kind of orange. Very warm, but I feel like in the end it looks okay. Hi, voiceover Emily here. So at this point in the video, I started talking about school and what I've been doing recently with that, and I'd like to talk about that in a different video. That's why I left it out here. I'm thinking about doing a Q&A soon where I ask you guys to ask me questions on Instagram. So if any of you are interested, you can just leave that there, and I'll definitely talk about it in a different video. Alrighty, bye! Now I'm going to do my blush. This is the Frat Boy blush by The Balm. I love this so much. And I'm using this AOA Studio brush. It's from the like dollar store website, the Shop Miss A. If you guys have heard of it, I should do a video on that sometime. If you want that, let me know. I just put this on my cheeks. I'm someone who loves blush. I love blush so much. I have a special brush for my nose blush. This is the, I think it's Royal and Langnickel, I guess, Moda Pro glow brush. I got this in my Ipsy bag. I love Ipsy so much. And it has like texture or whatever, some ridging, I don't know. I just put this right on the tip of my nose because I love the look of a blushed nose. It's so cute. So next I'm gonna highlight, which is my second favorite step, I think. My favorite is eyeshadow. I just love eyeshadow. Using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Ice Cold Highlighter. And as you can tell, this is like my favorite highlighter. Oh my gosh. And I use this AOA Studio highlighter brush, the what is it? F19. I just put this. Ooh. I put this on my cheekbones. I feel like I'm doing my makeup terribly because I'm trying to film it. I feel like it looks really bad. So now I went ahead and highlighted the other high points of my face. I forgot to say it in the video, of course. I do my tip of the nose highlight with a different brush because I'm way too extra. This is a Sigma pencil brush. It's the E30. Put it like right here. Okay, so I went ahead and did my brows, and I just went back and watched like the previous clip, and like I feel like my makeup looks terrible. Like the bronzer's really gross. I tried to blend it out, but oh my god, it looks really bad. I'm just doing a terrible job at this. Trust me, it usually doesn't look this bad. I'm sure a lot of you noticed that it looked really bad before I did, even though I knew it was probably bad. So please just hold off the comments. Anyway, I know it looks pretty bad. You don't have to point it out. Let's go on to eyeshadow now, which is my favorite part. So this is the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. I use this every single day. I know it came out last summer, but I didn't have it last summer. I got it like in the fall. So now I'm really using it this summer. But I literally use like 2 or 3 shades every single day. I use this shade right here, which is Flamingos, this shade right here, which is Lemonade, and then the yellow shimmer right here, which is Pineapple. And then I use the same brush every day. That's why it's stained and actually, well, it's not clean. We think it's clean now. But I use this for the stuff. This is a Luxie, oh my god, it's like almost completely rubbed off. Luxie 249, it's a double-sided brush, and I use both sides. So I go into Flamingos first, and I just pat this on like into my crease. As I'm patting it in, I just also kind of blend upwards. I go in with the blending side and just blend it out. Okay, so I did the eyeshadow under my eyes, just the same just the same shade. Now I'm gonna go in with that yellow shade, which is Lemonade, and I'm just gonna pack this right on the middle of my lid. I just like doing this because it adds just a little definition to the look. Now I'm gonna do my inner corner. I'm gonna use that same brush I used for the nose highlight, and I think I'm gonna do the Pineapple shade, which is that shimmer orange, and I just put that on my inner, or shimmer yellow I mean, and I just have it putting it on my inner corner. So I have my eyeshadow done. Now I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna do my eyeliner and my mascara, and I might do my lips too just because I feel like I'm running out of storage. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna do that.
See you in a bit.
Okay, so I finished my whole face. And I forgot to say earlier, for my brows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow and Pomade and Clear Brow Gel, so I use this for my brows. For my eyeliner and mascara and stuff, I used this, oh god, it's all rubbed off. This is like a Wet n Wild, like, twist up gel liner thing. I just use this to tight line. Then for mascara, I used this Revlon Volumizing Waterproof mascara. For my lips, I used the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cons, I don't know how to say that. And the Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy in Let's Flamingo. This is my favorite. But yeah, this is the combination I wear like every day, or at least recently I have been. Lastly, I'm gonna set my face with the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. I love this stuff. I love the whole bottle thing. So let's spray. Mist. Ew, I got in my face. I mean, my mouth. Ugh. It doesn't taste as good as it smells, I'll say that. I am done with my makeup and basically this video. I'm sure you're glad. If you are still watching, I thank you so much, but I hope you enjoyed this or tried to enjoy it. I'm like gonna doubt myself so much with this. This is gonna get deep, but like I'm just gonna keep thinking that no one likes these videos. So if you do, let me know. You could give it a thumbs up, that would help. So I know that you like it. Leave me any comments down below, maybe advice or suggestions you have for this channel, or videos you'd like to see, or ways I can fix whatever the heck I'm doing here. And subscribe down below if you're not already. If you want to stick around, you should, because you can see that I'll hopefully get better over time with YouTube, and wouldn't you love to see that improvement? I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and thank you for listening to me talk for I don't even know how long. I hope this isn't too long. So I hope I'll see you guys soon, and I love you so much. Bye!